How's it going, everybody? I've got this LED floodlight here for an unboxing review. Let's check this thing out together. Here's everything that came in the box. I'm super stoked about this because this is going to be an incredibly easy install. Got the screws here that go right in here. Peel this off of there, and look at that. Already comes with a plug, so I don't need to wire up a plug to it. This is great. So it's got 180 degree detection range. And then straight out from the sensor here, it's got a 72-foot detection range, and then the detection coverage as far as the light goes is 19 feet. I folded this piece up so I can kind of give a little explanation on what's going on here. Okay, so this one on the left here adjusts the sensitivity. So if it's all the way to its lowest setting, it'll have a 5-meter detection distance. For the highest sensitivity, just take it, you can turn it this way for the lowest. But for the highest, it'll do up to 10 meters. There we go. Sensitivity. Now this other one here, this is for day and night right there. That way it allows it to detect day or night. And the the consumer, you and I, can adjust the the work ambient light. It can work in daytime and night when it's adjusted to the positive position. It can work in the ambient light less than 10 lux when it's adjusted to the negative position, to the minimum. So I've got everything there kind of set to the most sensitive, the brightest, and then right here, this is the time delay adjustment. It can be set according to your desire. The minimum time is 10 seconds, plus or minus 3 seconds, and the maximum 7 minutes. So me, for my purposes, all the way up here, all the way up here, and then all the way down. Take these covers off. Another thing I love about this thing is all of the adjustments. I could tell you, this thing's going to be bright, but look at this. So it's got all kinds of adjustments on it. So you can adjust the sensor here. I had it all the way up, showing you the demo there. I'm going to kind of point it down at the ground, but these things will rotate up, out, bend them this way, and then they'll rotate up as well. You can do, I mean, you can see how versatile this is. I'm guessing this position will be the typical position for most users, but hey, there's always that unique situation, and then this is the light that you want to get for the most versatility there. That's who makes this thing. Comes with a safety guide as well. This is the only tool that I'll be using for this installation, but you might need in some cases a drill bit too, especially if you're going to use these drywall screws here, those inserts. But I'm just going to go right to a piece of wood, so this is all I need. Lights up the whole place.